New item for the FJ. It's a solar panel for the hood. We do an unboxing real quick. Sorry to cut it open. There it is, a 105 watt panel. Goes right on the hood of the FJ. I bought the whole kit, which includes this, which is a vinyl for the hood. So I put this down first, then that goes on top of it. So it comes with the solar controller, it comes with the vinyl, and it comes with the adhesive. Stick this to the vinyl. Not a sponsored video, I paid for this. Extremely thin, maybe a 1/16 of an inch thick. It's 105 watts, 18.5 volts, 5.67 amps. It's really light, maybe 5 pounds, maybe 10. It's probably not quite that heavy though. 3.5 millimeters thick, whatever that equates to in inches. So the solar panel comes with some zip ties and some wire management stuff for under your hood. If you buy the whole kit, it comes with the 3M tape to mount to the vinyl when you put the vinyl down. It comes with the Lensun solar controller. So that go under the hood, plug directly to the battery. It's got a fuse in it. Alright, so in preparation to put the vinyl on the hood, you got to pop off these. Underneath you pull off the hose, which I've already done the hoses on both sides. Take a socket. And it just pops it right out. So the socket goes on there, pushes these clips in, you can pop it right off. Yeah, just like that. Pops right out. The size of the socket you use to pop these off is, I used an 11/16. It worked great. So we'll give this thing a really good cleaning before we install the vinyl. I forgot to start this, but get the first part. Soapy water underneath it. Using magnets to kind of hold it in place. Help it with this. Hold it back. Water in there. You want to make sure you work all the bubbles out of it all you can. Might have to take a pin to a couple of them. The solar panel covers most of this up anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Alright, so that's the install of the vinyl. So right there, that is where your windshield wiper sprayer goes. So I just realized I busted both my hoses when I pulled it off, so I gotta get those off of there. Cut out. This one just popped right in. The other side will be the same thing. Just get it facing the right way. Tap, it's in place. So I'll actually stick the solar panel, which is right here, sitting right here. I'll stick that to the vinyl so I don't actually ruin my paint job. Just set it in place, just like so. They make a Lensun, I believe it's a 120, but you have to remove your windshield wiper sprayers, and it actually gives you another solar panel here and one over there. But I prefer to keep my windshield washer nozzles. This wire will run in here. Pop this off, I'll put a hole in this, run it through here. Alright, so for best results, it says to let this sit for 48 hours before you install the solar panel. And it adhered really well to the truck. It came out pretty well. This is just to protect the paint so I don't destroy the paint with the adhesive from the solar panel. Something like that. Just get your tool up under and just pops right out. So what I did is I cut this piece and this piece out. It gives me just enough room to get the wires through there. Then I'll run the wires down here into this little plastic casing here. I'll drill a hole in this, run it out, and then run it over to the battery. So these are really easy to take off. Took the opportunity to clean it up pretty good since it was off. Alright, so put the piece back on. It's got these little clips here. There's 5 clips on it. Basically just put it in and push down and it clicks back into place. Alright, so we're going to put the double-sided tape on this. Make sure it's nice and clean. This is the tape that comes with it. We're going to get this nice layer of this all the way around it. They send you 2 rolls. I'm going to go 2 rows around the outside. I don't want air getting underneath of it and lifting it up. You want to go through and push all this down really well. Once you get all this on there, when you install it, you want to put weights on top of this and let it sit for 5 hours. Get a really good seal. Make sure that tape is sticking really well. Connection. Pretty much used every bit that I had. Not much left. Let that sit for 5 hours. Doesn't take all this stuff out for good. So we'll see if I can. Looks like there's a hole right here. It goes straight through, so I should be able to put it here. Run them from there all the way down to here, and then come out into here. Do this hole here. It came through right here. I will run it over here so it doesn't get caught up in this. So right here, run it to this side of that, and that puts it all the way up to the battery. Yeah, don't look at all those wires, it's a mess. I think I got where I'm going to mount this thing. Got this little bracket. I'm going to put it right down there in this bolt. I don't know if you can see that bolt or not. There's a bolt right there. Put this bracket on there. A little dark. Put some double-faced tape on there. I'll go ahead and put some screws in it too. But Pretty strong. That's what the Lensun 105 watt solar panel should look like on your hood.